Hi guys, just a quick tutorial on how to use line of best fit on DESMOS. So if you have some points, whatever they are, we'll just put some points in here in green. And I probably should have 3 for all the X's. So we'll move these around. We'll make it kind of go up. So 10, we'll go with 10. Let's throw in 8 and 9. 8 and 9. And we'll change that one to 3.6. All right, so now we're gonna move over so we have something like this, and we're gonna look for a line of best fit. So what you're going to do is click on plus or click on a new entry here, a line here, and if you type in y equals mx plus b, just use your keyboard for that, and then hit add both sliders. What's going to happen is a line is going to show up here, and what you can do is just mess around with this thing and move it around. The M is going to change your, not to give too much away for next unit, but M is going to change your slope, okay? How steep it is, how shallow it is, and the B is going to move it up and down. So if you just play around with it a little bit, I don't know, maybe like that, maybe move it down, I don't know, where would that be? Like that, something like that? Looks pretty good to me. What you want to do is minimize the overall distance between the points and the line. It's not the end of the world if it's not perfect, okay? Odds are you're going to use something like Sheets or something that will actually come up with the line of best fit. But if you want to do this almost by hand, you can use DESMOS here, and it works great. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. Just manipulate y equals mx plus b, change the sliders after putting in the points. All right, take care.